In a series that dates back since 1921, the Ball State Cardinals host the Kent State Golden Flashes right here inside Worthen Arena in Muncie, Indiana. Throws at Moses, right block, down to Teague, left block, spins and lays it up and in. Quick pass, Thompson, left wing, sinks another three. He gets this crowd in Worthen on its feet, and Josh Thompson with back-to-back threes, a career-high 6 points. Splits two defenders, a hook shot, misses it. Teague grabs the rebound and flushes it down. Goes up for Moses. Sellers, left wing three-pointer as time expires and hits it. Down to Moses, lays it in with the finger roll on the left block, and De La Rosa fouls him. And for Persons, left baseline, runs it, floater. Ball State moves to 7-5 inside the Mid-American Conference. They've won 2 straight games with an 87-68 victory over Kent State.